There are different methods indeed that can be used for monitoring and controlling. One possible classification is where we put on the one hand techniques that exploit only runtime data, meaning they only look at ongoing cases. They don't look at closed cases. These techniques go under the name of business activity monitoring, or BAM, and they are typically performed online. So, for example, a customer inquiring about the status of their orders, or having an understanding of the current workload of all the process participants or roles that are associated with a given order-to-cash process. On the other hand, we have process intelligence methods that aggregate different data, historical data, by polling or querying a database at given intervals in order to build process analytics that can range from simple to advanced ones. So traditionally, the term monitoring was used to refer to business activity monitoring, whereas controlling was used to refer to process intelligence. However, nowadays, this difference is blurred, and the term controlling is used less in favor of online versus offline monitoring. And also, with the use of modern technology, it is possible to build even very sophisticated process analytics, for example, those based on complex event handling, online. And we generally refer to monitoring for both types of methods, online and offline, or monitoring using runtime data versus monitoring using historical data. Coming back to our classification, process intelligence can be divided into statistics-based analytics and model-based analytics. The former are based on statistical analysis, which can range from high-level, simple descriptive statistics. So, for example, giving statistics about a given metric like average, maximum, and standard deviation on the cycle time, or giving statistics about resource utilization and being able to compare the statistics related to ongoing cases with those in the last trimester, in the last year, or, for example, being able to compare resource performances across different departments of the organization. On the other hand, model-based analytics use process mining methods to provide deep insights into the actual business processes that are performed in the organization. These techniques analyzed the data collected through the prism of process models. It is, for example, possible to discover a process model that captures the actual behavior of a given business process, so how effectively we perform order-to-cash processes in our organization, and compare this with a given standard or model that represents the supposed behavior. Or also to understand root causes for differences between different variances. For example, between orders that are performed in Australia versus orders that are performed in New Zealand.